Okay. Hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today topic is fuzzy logic and neural networks. The topic is equivalence and tautology truth table. Okay. So next we can go with what is. So before going with the truth table, we have to know that what are the truth table logic connect. There are the logic statements are the negation, conjunction, disjunction, biconditional, conditional, etc. So in that, first of all, we go with the equivalence truth table. So there are the two statement in that. So they are equivalently logic if and only if the resulting truth table are identical for each variation of the statement variables. So using that we have the logical connectivities. We can prove some of the truth table. One of the important construction of the truth table we can see that is negation P and Q implies that negation P or negation Q. So usually we will say this is an equivalence formula, and also in set theory we can say it is a De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law, everyone know that A union B, the whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. So similar statement we are adapting in the logical connectives also, that is negation P and Q implies that negation P and negation Q. So we are going to apply the implication for the both the statement. So here we are constructing the fourth statement P and Q. So true true, false false. Q means true false, true false. We are applying negation. What is negation? Negation means if it is for true means false, false means true. Negation Q means for true means false, false means true. So like that we are constructed the negation P and negation Q. And next we keep as it is. Next we are applying P and Q. P and Q means what is unstatement. If both the statement are true means we can say it is untrue, or otherwise it is false. So we can go stop the statement. Next we can apply or for negation P and negation Q. So negation P or negation Q. So what is negation P and or if you apply the conditional, that is a disjunction means if you apply the disjunction function, the condition for the disjunction is if both the statement is false means we can say it isn't false. So in that we notice that if both the negation P and negation Q is false, so we can apply it as false. So otherwise it is true. Okay, so this is one form. And next we can apply the negation for P and Q. So already know that true means false. For true false 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 means we can write it as false true true true. And after finding the both the statement, we can apply the implication for the two statement. So what is implication? So implication, that is biconditional. Another name we can say it is a biconditional. So what is biconditional means if the two statement is identical. For example, if both the statement is true, or else if both the statement is false means we can say it isn't true. So in this condition, if both the statement is false false, so it is true. Next we can go with true true means that is also true. Okay, so we will get. So next we can discuss about the concept tautology. So what is tautology? Tautology is in compound sentences that is always true. If you apply the statement in the individual statement, all the answer will be true means we can say it is an that statement we can say it is an tautology. In Greek word we can say it is an tauta or else logy. So this is a compound sentence. This compound sentence we are constructing some one truth table. P tends to Q or Q tends to P. In this we apply, we will get a tautology. Let us see how you get the tautology. You construct the four statement. First of all, P means true true false, Q means true false true false. Now we are applying P tends to Q. What will get? If it is both the statement true means true, both the statement is false means false. Sorry, true false means false. That is nothing but conditional statement. In conditional statement, first one true, second one false means you will get false. Otherwise it is true. Okay, so Q tends to P means similar condition. First you have to construct first one true, second one false means false. Otherwise it is true. So for both the condition, we are applying a disjunction condition. What is disjunction? Disjunction means both the condition false means only false, otherwise it is true. But in this statement, no thing is applied like this. So all the statement you are getting it as an true. So if the all the statement is true means we can say it is a tautology. So like that we can prove the tautology condition in this truth table. So thank you students. So in this concept video we have discussed about the concept of the equivalence formula and tautology. Okay, thank you ma.